The nail techs nowadays, they suck. We are going to Los Angeles, California. Right. What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to get on my consistency posting vlogs and whatnot every week. But I feel like I'm not doing something every week. But next week or this week we'll be going on vacation. We're actually taking a little trip to Los Angeles, so we're gonna take you along with us. But I wanted to start the vlog off with kind of the maintenance stuff that we do. As you can see, hair's not combed, and normally I don't do anything special. I always have braids in my hair, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm waiting on my daughter to pull up and put me some braids. Y'all, I've been waiting to put blonde braids for the past maybe a couple of years. No, I had them last year. Anyway, I put it during the summertime. So I just took out these twists that I had in my hair, and I had them in for like 4 months. I always keep my braids in very long. So imagine my scalp. Imagine how dirty the water was whenever I washed my hair, and y'all, it was just horrific. But now we're here. Got my hair blow dried. So I'm waiting for Kendall to pull up. Carly is actually taking her hair out, so it'll be a maintenance vlog. Doing our hair. Of course, we have to get our lashes done, eyebrows, nails, toes. Give y'all a quick look. Y'all, horrible. So anyways, come along with us. Today we'll be doing this. I think I'm gonna include in this vlog, I think I'll be including maybe like the road trip portion, and in the LA vlog will just be the LA vlog. I don't know, I'm gonna see how long it is. But yeah, so maintenance and the packing. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all. Carla does not want to be on camera, so anyway, we're gonna do yeah, our hair all day today. I'll give you a far-away view of her. Period. Today is just an extension of our maintenance vlog. We are going to, oh my god, look at this light. So we are going to LaBelle Nails to get our nails done. And it looks like they have no one in the parking lot, which is such a good thing for us because we do not like to wait, and we want to be the only ones in there. So I'm gonna do my nails, I'm gonna make them, fix up my eyebrows, and then yeah. Yo, when I tell you we were the only ones in the nail shop, just how we like it. That sun is like literally blinding me. But I've been with my nail tech, y'all, for like, let's see, I was in the 11th grade, so 2001, so 20, I don't know, 23 years, 23 years. Oh my god, I cannot add. So I love Kevin. Like, I love Kevin. Like, when I walk in the store or whatever, or in the shop, he knows that he's gonna be the one to get my nails done. Like, nobody else. Like, I do not like when anybody else jumps on my nails. It's Kevin all day. And I kind of have my kids spoiled too, because they, oh god, yeah, they've been coming to Kevin too. Obviously, since they started doing their nails, I didn't know what to do, so I did nude, and then I put this little gold design or whatever, and I'll be wearing like gold jewelry. She put this silver bling bling, so that's her nail. Look at this. All right, so this is my set. So yeah, headed to California, headed to Los Angeles. He goes like, where are you going? I'm like, California, Los Angeles. He's like, again? Really, Kevin? But he knows this is the only time I get my nails done long, because I really can't have it done at work. So yeah, Carly walked over to Twins Bakery to get her.
And I had a patty melt.
Shut up! Shut up! You didn't need all that. Okay. We literally should have started a vlog from here because, like, without the sun in our face, it looks so good. But anyway, here's another look at our nails. Like I said, we've been getting our nails done by Kevin. Well, I have for 23 years. So yeah, the nail techs nowadays, they suck. So this morning, guys, I'm getting ready to pack for my vacation, long-awaited vacation. We are going to Los Angeles, California, and we're taking a road trip. Why in this day and age? Number one, I have a new baby and I need to be able to bring like a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm not paying for extra bags. Number two, this is much needed quality time with my family. So as much as my kids probably are not gonna like it, I'm gonna love it. This is like the maintenance vlog, so I kind of started, I forgot what I started with, but I know I took you guys with me to do my nails, and now we're just gonna pack. Today is the day we are leaving, so I'm packing pretty late, but I had like an idea in my head of what outfits I wanted to wear. This is one of them. I'm not going in any particular order, just whatever I grab first. So I'll be doing my outfit try-ons, and then you'll be able to see me wear it throughout the LA vlog. This is gonna be one of my first outfits. Well, first outfits that I'm trying on. I'm not trying it on in any particular order. I just wanted to try this one first. Let me take a step back. I wanted to try this one on first because this is probably gonna be one of my most basic outfits for this vacation. Just ripped jeans, a nice little pale pink shirt. I'm gonna try to jazz it up with like stacked gold jewelry here. Maybe sunglasses, a cute bag. I haven't decided. I have these or whatever. Nice, cute. So I haven't figured out what shoes, but you know, I'm not liking these with it. I'm not sure what, but yeah. So cute little pink top from Amazon, and these jeans were from some shop in the mall. Honestly, I'm gonna have to suck in that stomach. And then I'll do some stacked gold jewelry here, and these are quite racy in the back, but I don't care too much. So yeah. Second outfit try on. This is another combo fit. Shirt is Shein. Have jeans from Amazon. And then I threw in some high-end pieces. Y'all, I love these sandals. They're so comfortable. I would like to get a couple of other colors, but my bank account is not saying that. So I went ahead and got the color that I wanted. I have those orange Oran sandals, but they always have been too narrow for my feet, so they were never comfortable. These, y'all, I love them. I love them. I don't even wear the other ones, so like this is gonna be what I'm gonna wear. So anyway, yeah, Shein on the shirt, Amazon jeans. I know you guys would say it's summertime. Why is she wearing black? Why is she wearing jeans? This is what I prefer to wear. I got a little crop top issue going on, but yeah. Alright, so this is another outfit. This one is from Target. As you can see, I have two different shoes on because I'm not really sure which shoes I'm going to wear it with. If I take a step back, the black is looking a little better. I still have the tag on because I'm not sure if I'm even going to keep this outfit, because to me it's more fitting for like my trip to Jamaica. A two-piece from Target, Valentino slides, brown, black. I have another brown pair. So yeah. Another little two-piece from Target, you know, You can light tones together. And again with the Valentino slides. Another option, these Fendi slides. I do like that with it. But again, this is another little like extra outfit. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear it. This, not that it's inappropriate for LA, but I have some other stuff that I would prefer wearing. So this is if we like stay an extra day or something, and it's something light to pack in my luggage. This is another little fit. This is from Janae Naylor's Future Collective collection, High Low Luxe. Love this dress. I'm thinking of wearing it to, I don't know, maybe a beach day where we spend all day at the beach, but then we go somewhere in the evening. I feel like it's giving eating out on a patio with the beach in the background or something. The bag I may pair it with is, let's see, we'll do, maybe, we can do something like this, or maybe the white Chanel, or maybe just like a plain brown to match my shoes, or plain tan bag. But yeah, love this little dress, corset dress. I think this is like a summer trend, and I'm here for it. So if you follow me, you've seen this in black already, because I think I wore it 2 weekends in a row. I just love the fit of the dress. I don't have it tightened in the back, but it cinches your waist. It's a nice little light material, perfect for the summertime. Bag from Target, Fendi slides, and this will be I'll probably wear it for the day. Not really sure what I'm gonna do that day, but I am in love with. I love it. I love, like love, love, love the dress. This outfit, another calm little fit. I'm not sure what shoes I'll wear it with now. I'm thinking of like maybe I have some Prada. They look like boots, but they're high tops or whatever, but they're black shoes. But I just feel like, you know, it's kind of, it's summertime. So I'm not sure on the shoes just yet, but love the fit of these jeans. I'm actually going to wear it twice on vacation, because I think I have another outfit, which I'll put it on next just to show you. So I'll either wear it twice, or I'll just have an extra outfit, because I think I'm running out of days for the outfits that I'm bringing. I know it's supposed to be running out of outfits for the days, but anyways, I bring extra stuff. This shirt, the little Metallica shirt, is from Target, the graphic tee section. These jeans are from Old Navy. When I tell you, I do not like Old Navy jeans. Like, I don't like any of their clothes, because once they stretch, they stretch. This is crazy. These jeans were like jeans I would have not bought, because they were so skin tight in the store. I was like, no, I won't be able to sit down or whatever. But I've worn them, and they have stretched out. So they stretched out to a comfortable fit for me. So I'll be wearing them. I hope they don't stretch out too big. But yeah, I do love these. And they were long enough for me. I'm like 5'7". So if I get jeans, like the not high water. If I get wide leg jeans, I have to get it in a tall. And I did not have to get it in a tall for this pair. So yeah, but I'm loving it. Outfit, I'm not sure where am I going to wear it. But this is another top from Janae Naylor's Future Collective collection from Target. The jeans, same jeans from Old Navy. Actually, when I tried, in my head I thought, you know, something. When I tried it on, this is really showing how much hips I don't have. But anyways, it's not there. It's not coming. This is what I was dealt, and this is what I'll be wearing. So anyways, yeah. I'm gonna probably do it with these slides. But yeah. And I can clasp these two, but I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna have it kind of open. I may even undo one more. But I love the fit of this little top. Like, you can tie it. I have a short torso, so it's short enough for me. The pants are long enough. I just love the fit of it. So yeah, not really sure when I'm gonna wear this outfit, but this will be one. This is an outfit that I purchased a while back. I just got it. I don't usually wear stuff like this, and I was like, I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but my daughter is doing like a birthday dinner, so I think it's black and white theme. I'll wear it there. She booked, well, I don't even know what restaurant, but yeah. Like I said, this is not something I would normally wear, but I was like, hey, it's black and white. I like it, kinda, sorta. And I don't have anywhere else to wear it, so this is what, and it is a two-piece. Actually, I'm sure you're supposed to show a little skin, but the way my skin be skinning with the stretch marks, yeah, not skin. Yeah. So this is another little extra outfit. It was a really inexpensive dress from Shein. Something I can just throw on. I actually have it in this color. And I'll try on the other color. It's, well, I may not have to try it on. I can just show you guys. I have it in this color. And I just like how it did the little squiggly thing. Kind of, you know, makes you a shape if you don't have one. You can still see all my rows, but, you know, for a picture it can be concealed. So I do kind of like it. But that'll be an extra one, and then the black and tan dress like it will be extra. I like extra pieces because I don't know if I'm going to stay extra days, or if they say, oh, we need a day and a night outfit, because it's always a problem. So I'm going to bring 4 extra pieces. All right, even though I said I wouldn't have tried it on, I went ahead and put it on. This is the second one. Like I said, from Shein. I'm sure it was like $12 or $13. Could be more than $13. But yeah, just something light to put on. So, trying to fit things in this bag. Not everything, I guess, but this is Carly's stuff. Have stuff there, everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do the roll method like I did for my last packing trip. You should go see my packing video, but yeah. I'm putting it in these bags to kind of compress them. I still have to fit all of that stuff in that bag. Yeah. Purses, shoes. It's a mess.